Modern lines, bold teal accents, and layered textures bring this home to life. From an airy atrium to a striking powder room, every corner feels vibrant, warm, and effortlessly stylish. A minimalist exterior with black-framed windows, white walls, textured shiplap, a teal door, ipe wood, and lush greenery creates a sophisticated, welcoming look. Vaulted ceilings and large openings fill the space with natural light, echoing mid-century modern design. Clean lines in cabinetry, backsplashes, and ceilings are balanced by the color and texture of furniture and accessories. Shiplap ceilings extend to the entrance canopy, while porcelain tiles mimic industrial cement in living areas, and wood floors add warmth to bedrooms. The home feels bright and modern with tall ceilings, white walls, and large windows filled with light. Bold blue chairs add contrast to the neutral palette, while greenery and wood accents bring warmth. The media room offers cozy seating with built-in shelving and decor, and the flow between the piano room, kitchen, and dining area creates a welcoming, connected atmosphere. The kitchen combines warmth and modernity through a mix of textures and materials. Tall and wall cabinets in gray complement rift white oak veneer on the island, lower cabinets, and floating shelves. Terrazzo countertops unify warm wood tones with cooler gray cabinets, and metal accents in black matte and brushed nickel add subtle contrast. Thin black structural beams across the vaulted ceiling contribute an airy, lively feel. Custom-made stools upholstered in tie-dye denim fabric add a playful yet refined touch. A bright office space features dramatic teal walls and cabinetry, abundant sunlight, and a light gray shiplap ceiling. The result is a vibrant, defined area that still flows seamlessly with surrounding spaces. Furniture, textiles, and accessories add texture, pattern, and warmth, while layered fabrics, materials, and shapes create complete, harmonious, and engaging spaces. Cement flooring in a 12x 24-inch format evokes mid-century character, while light blue textured glass tiles on the walls provide depth and subtle color. This compact space makes a statement with bold design. Brass-toned wallpaper adds drama. A concrete floating sink and wall-mounted faucet enhance modernity, and vertical wood paneling protects walls while balancing energy with calm.